How to fix Duo mobile app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Duo Mobile and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch it and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Now scroll down, head towards the app Duo Mobile. Once you find it, open the app. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can apply next solution. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Duo Mobile. Once app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Duo Mobile app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.